Hi, I'm Masha from Coding Blonde, and today I want to review the NordVPN app on both the desktop and mobile devices, and also talk about how I use VPN in my day-to-day life. Let's get started. As an entrepreneur and as someone who works on the go, I use VPN all the time. I use it on my home network. I don't want my internet service provider to track all of my activities, and also that's the only way I work in public places. As you may know, Wi-Fi networks in airports, cafes, or other places where we sometimes find ourselves working in are insecure, and it is very risky to use them without a VPN. Those networks are often being targeted by hackers to intercept your traffic, so you may find that your personal information is exposed if you're connecting to an insecure network in public places. Connecting through a VPN, though, protects you from that and ensures that your data is secure. NordVPN app is super easy to use. Once you install it and log into your account, this is what you're going to see on a desktop, and this is what you're going to see on a mobile device. You can be logged into 6 different devices from one account at the same time. You can either use the Quick Connect feature or select from a list of super fast servers. NordVPN has over 5,200 servers in 59 different countries. Once you're connected, you're good to go. All of your online activity is private, there's no data logging, and all of the data undergoes encryption for increased anonymity. NordVPN doesn't track or collect data, as proven by a major independent audit. The app also comes with a CyberSec feature, which acts as an ad blocker and also prevents you from accessing websites that are known for hosting malware and phishing scams, making you safer from online threats. So not only your online activity is private, but also you're protected from potential cyber threats. Win-win, right? And thanks to NordLynx technology, your connection is going to be super fast. NordLynx is a new VPN protocol that NordVPN has just rolled out in April this year. And over 250,000 speed tests for different VPN uses has proved its superiority over other protocols. Here's how you can turn it on for desktop, and here's how you can do it for a mobile device. NordVPN is trustworthy, super simple to use, and works even in China. And if you ever have any questions or issues, this award-winning service has 24/7 customer support over live chat. Finally, a fun little use case that I have discovered while traveling and working from different countries is to use a VPN to access the cloud-based services that you need to use in the language that you need to use them in. For example, for me, that's English. I was in Chile and I had an issue with my hosting provider. My website was down and I needed to resolve that situation as soon as possible. But no matter what I did, the website of the hosting provider would show up in Spanish because they were using my IP address to determine which language to show. Well, a quick connection to a VPN helped me resolve the situation. So there's a little hack for when you're traveling and working. If you're looking to protect your data online, try out NordVPN. There's a special 70% discount going on right now, and the best part is that you can try it risk-free with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Go to nordvpn.com to learn more.